YouTube? We back. Day 15 of becoming a profitable trader. Today is February 2026, Friday. So hopefully you guys had a great day. Today's the last day before the market is closed. So as you guys can see, we actually took a trade on NASDAQ. Easy trade. My setup have presented itself. So today, guys, actually took two trades. One was on gold and the other one was on NASDAQ. So I will give you guys the trade recap, the confluences I use on why did I take this trade to make some money. And I realized, guys, that I've been more consistent this week. Yeah, consistently. I mean, we're winning more than we are losing. March will be the months that I will take trading very seriously, which I will consistently trying to get payouts from these prop firms. You guys will find out. All you need to do is just stick with the journey. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you want one-on-one mentorship call or me to teach you my strategy for free, make sure you email me. I'll leave my email down in the description. So we are done for today. Let's touch some grass. I'll see you guys on day 16 on Monday. Peace out.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, let's dive in. So the first trade we took today on was gold. So to be honest, guys, this was an A+ setup, and the confluence that I used was a continuation trend. So Asia session was actually a bullish reversal right here, and right after a pre-market London, we showed some sort of manipulation, but I didn't think this was a manipulation because there was a fair value gap presented right here, as you guys can see. So price actually tapped to the fair value gap and showed us a reversal. So I was waiting for three things. I want the order flow to come in, an order block. 1, 2, 3. We all have an order block. We break a structure on the 5-minute, as you guys can see. So I entered right after then, targeting the equal highs on the higher time frame. So this was actually a low risk and very fast trade, guys. This was so fast. My TP just got hit in like 15 minutes. So that was the trade I took today on gold. When it comes to the second trade that I took, it was on NASDAQ. Guys, this was so easy. My setup have presented itself. And to be honest, guys, I need to learn to expand my TP because, guys, imagine if you have this kind of TPs, imagine, guys, but I'm making a low risk. I don't want to be greedy, I'm sticking with my rules. So let's dive in. So Asia session have been open. Asia session was actually manipulating. So I was so interested to take a high because once I saw this reversal, I was like, okay, maybe price reversed to take out and draw to this liquidity on the 4-hour high London tick. But my plan was actually price to go here and go down. But right after I saw SMT on the NASDAQ and also and the US 500, I was so bearish, guys. I was so bearish. I've never been bearish in my life. So I was waiting for the 5-minute breakout structure and the order block to come in and for us to inverse the fair value gap right here. You see this, guys? We inverse this fair value gap. I waited for breakout structure. Boom, I entered targeting the previous in the midnight open, which our TP got hit. So this is the confluence that I use. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, I think trading is getting easier. The more you learn, the more you understand, it's getting easier. But I cannot say that because at the end of the day, the market will humble you no matter how experienced you are. So I'll see you guys on day 16. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And if you want one-on-one mentorship calls, make sure to email me. Peace out.